Hello and welcome to my channel, and if you have already been to my channel, then welcome back. In today's video we're going to talk about two levels of popularity. So I already put out there a video. I'm going to put a link right there that I was talking about, is it good to be seen, how much visibility is actually beneficial. So you can check it out if you want to, but now I'm going to talk about the levels of popularity. So let's say you're popular, which means a lot of people know you. Basically, it could be online, it could be offline, but there are actual levels of popularity, and I don't know if they exist somewhere, like if somebody has written anything about them. This is something that I have noticed in my own practice and in my own experience. So the first level of popularity is when people know you. So this is basically a baseline level. People know who you are. Like, there's you look like that, you speak like that, and you deal with XYZ. You deal with this thing, you work that, you have this business, you offer this service. They know you. They know where to find you, they know your contact information, they know pretty much what you're saying, and they have heard what you have already said, etc. So this is the first level of popularity, like people know you. And the second level of popularity is about your value. So it is not only about people knowing you and knowing who you are and knowing how to find you, but actually understanding your contributions, the value that you put out there, the value of your services or your products, but not only, like your life mission, your life purpose. It is knowing you on a different level. And I'm going to tell you this, the first level is a must. If people don't know you, they're simply not going to understand your value because they don't even know you exist. Okay? And the second level is something that you need to work a little more for, because the value is something that it exists, but a lot of times it is not truly understood. A lot of people, especially when you are in the wrong environments, people simply misunderstand your value. They cannot comprehend it. And it may be because whatever you're doing or whatever your service is or whatever you're selling, they don't need it. So the second layer is basically about two major things. The first is about recognizing the right publics and the right auditors for you. So there are specific people who will understand your value, and there are specific people who will not. And selecting those people is crucial. So this is really a choice. The environments that you select, the people that you surround yourself with, all of those things determine if your value will be recognized. And the second part is about your uniqueness. Just because you have a product or you have a service or you're doing certain job and maybe you're even good at it, that itself is still not showing your value. That itself is still on the baseline, because okay, let's say you're doing this service, but there's 5 more people that are also doing the exact same service. So you need to understand and you need to present in appropriate way what is unique about you with your particular service. So this is why I'm saying that the second layer, the second level of popularity is a little more complicated. Now you need to think for the right strategy. You cannot just go out there and say, hey, this is me and that's what I do and it is valuable because XYZ. It may be true and it's great if you can name it, but people will not just take it just because you said it. People will understand your value when this value is demonstrated in certain ways. So here is the place that you need actual strategy. Here is the place that you need certain approach. You need the right approach, because sometimes if you have the wrong approach, the person will not even want to hear what you have to say. So now this is a topic of a whole different video. Maybe I will do it at some point in the future. But with this particular video, I want you to understand the levels of popularity, because not all popularity is the same. Okay? So this is for today's video. Thank you very much for watching. I will leave a link below to my website so that you can see who I am and what I'm doing. Also, you can like and share this video, you can leave a comment, and you are welcome to subscribe for my channel. Thank you very much and have a great day.